Discover the numbers that actually keep your hotel afloat. You'll learn which hotel KPIs drive revenue and how to monitor them without stress. Ring that bell so you never miss an episode. When you're juggling rooms, guest, staff, supplier, and now someone's telling you to keep track of KPIs, brilliant. Just what you needed. But here's the thing. The right hotel KPIs, that's key performance indicators, don't add stress. They save your sanity. In this beginner's guide, I'll show you which numbers actually matter and how to use them without getting a math degree. This is especially important for independent hotel owners who want to run smarter, not harder. Let's turn your numbers into tools, not torture. Occupancy rate, the bed filler's best friend. Occupancy rate tells you how many of your rooms were filled, and it's calculated like this. Occupied rooms divided by total available rooms times 100. If you've got 30 rooms and 21 were booked, that's a 70% occupancy rate. Easy math, right? Why it matters? A low rate, time to look at your marketing or pricing. A high one? Great, unless it's paired with lower revenue. And we'll get to that. A quick tip? Track it daily, weekly, and monthly. You'll start seeing patterns. Like when bookings dip or surge. Adjust promos and staffing accordingly. Your ADR or average daily rate. Know what you're charging. Now let's see how much guests are actually paying per room. Here's the formula. Total room revenue divided by rooms sold equals ADR. Let's say you made $3,000 from 20 rooms sold. That's $150 ADR. Now why does this matter? It tells you if your pricing strategy is working. If your occupancy is high but your ADR is low, you might be filling beds too cheaply. A pro move? Keep tabs on your competitors. If you're the cheapest in town, are you the cheapest in town? The most expensive? It can be a problem if the guest experience doesn't match. RevPAR, revenue per available room, combines your occupancy rate and ADR. The formula is ADR times occupancy rate equals RevPAR, or simply total room revenue divided by total available rooms. This is the ultimate performance snapshot. If your RevPAR is rising, you're making better money per room, regardless of whether it's due to higher rates or better marketing or both. Imagine your ADR is $120 and your occupancy rate is 80%. Your RevPAR is $96, which means every room, whether it's filled or not, is earning you $96 on average. GOPPAR, gross operating profit per room. This one's not for the faint of heart, but it's worth a peek. GOPPAR measures profit after expenses. It's your gross operating profit divided by available rooms. That equals GOPPAR. And why it matters? High occupancy and ADR are lovely, but if your laundry bill is eating your profits, you'll never grow. GOPPAR tells you if you're really making money. Tracking money isn't sexy, but knowing your actual profit per room, that is where the grown-up business decisions start. RevPAC, total revenue per guest. Sometimes the guest spends more on wine than the room. That's where RevPAC comes in. Total guest spend divided by total number of guests. This includes everything: spa, food, parking. It's great for seeing how well your upsells and extras are working. Now, pro tip: if your RevPAC is low, you've got upsell opportunities. Train staff to offer wine pairings. add an in-room massage, and you'll be surprised at how many people say yes, just if you ask. Staff to room ratio, service versus sanity. Too many staff and you're bleeding cash. Too few and the guests leave bad reviews. The sweet spot depends on your type of property, but start tracking it. Total number of staff divided by total rooms. Use it to monitor productivity and plan staffing levels, especially during high or low seasons. Which KPIs should you track right now? Well, if you're new to all of this, don't try to track 10 things at once. Start here. Occupancy rate, ADR, RevPAR. Once those feel like second nature, level up to GOPPAR, RevPAC, and staff to room ratio. Don't worry about daily tracking for everything. Weekly or monthly is often enough unless you're in high season, in which case, keep your eyes wide open. You didn't dream of hotel ownership just to become a spreadsheet whisperer. This free guide, it gets you back to the fun part, your independent hotel blueprint. Download it. Ditch the chaos. You can find a link in the show notes. Do you track any hotel KPIs, or is it all gut feeling and guesswork? Let me know in the comments. Here are your 5 takeaways. Occupancy equals how full your hotel is. ADR equals what guests pay per night. RevPAR equals combines occupancy plus ADR. GOPPAR equals profit per room after costs. RevPAC equals guest spending beyond the room. Running a hotel isn't just about making beds and charming guests. It's about knowing your numbers so you can actually grow. Start with the basics. Set a reminder to review them weekly, and over time, you'll start seeing patterns you can act on. No more flying blind. No more guesswork. Just smart, sustainable decisions that keep your hotel thriving, even in the off-season. Want to learn how to apply these numbers to your unique property? Join me in the Hotel Owner's Roadmap, 90 Days to More Bookings, More Time, and Less Stress course. We go deep into using KPIs to build a business that works for you. If you like this episode, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, especially if you've ever started a spreadsheet and quietly wept into your tea.